For their tiny size, chia seeds pack a powerful nutritional punch. Ancient Aztec and Mayan cultures used these seeds as a mainstay of their diet, and they've long been claimed as having health advantages. Vitamins, minerals, and potent antioxidants are all included in chia seeds, which are a wonderful source of nutrition. In today's video we gonna talk about the numerous health benefits of chia seeds. So, the first one, weight loss in a healthier manner. The amount of fiber in a 1 ounce serving of chia seeds is 39% of the daily value advised for adults. When you consume seeds, the soluble fiber in them absorbs water, expanding them in your stomach and making you feel fuller. Chia seeds may help you maintain a healthy weight since they make you feel fuller even if you consume a smaller amount of food. Second one, decreased levels of free radicals. Chia seeds include antioxidants that may assist your body in the fight against free radicals. Cell damage and oxidative stress are both caused by free radicals. There are various health problems caused by free radicals that may be mitigated by consuming foods high in antioxidants, such as heart disease, cognitive loss, and some forms of cancer. Third one, chia seeds are helpful for bone health. As previously said, these big seeds include calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and manganese, all of which contribute to bone health. In addition to a healthy diet and regular exercise, these minerals help to maintain bone density. Chia seeds have a high calcium level, making them a viable alternative for individuals who cannot or do not want to consume dairy products. The fourth one, helps to maintain healthy levels of blood sugar. Improved insulin sensitivity and post-meal blood sugar stability may lead to more prolonged energy. Evaluated to flax seeds, chia seeds were shown to have a stronger potential to convert glucose into a slow-release carbohydrate and favorably affect satiety in a research that compared the two seeds. In turn, this lowered the desire and need for food. The fifth one is HDL cholesterol may be boosted by this treatment. Chia seeds raise the quantity of high-density lipoprotein, HDL, cholesterol and reduce low-density lipoprotein, LDL, cholesterol. Good cholesterol refers to HDL, whereas bad cholesterol refers to LDL. A preventive impact on blood lipids and other markers of cardiovascular health has been shown, as well as a neutral or favorable effect on other indicators. As a result, you should include chia seeds into your daily diet or cuisine creations. I wish you liked my video. If yes, please smash a like button and subscribe. Please don't forget to turn on the bell icon, so you don't miss out any upcoming videos. I will be back with another video, so stay tuned. Till then, be safe and take care.